This content is intended for adult audiences and is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It is not intended for viewers under 18 without parental supervision and may contain harsh or graphic language, sensitive topics, and disturbing imagery. Viewers' discretion is strongly advised. So this is just us being nosy, reporting live from somebody else's business. We did the research so you don't have to. We hope this finds you well. Let us begin. Not every griot stands on a stage or holds a drum. Some griots hold phones, tablets, and laptops. And with every tap, scroll, and post, they carry the tradition forward. These that we speak of today are the digital griots, the ones telling stories through TikTok timelines and Instagram reels, through voice notes passed in DMs, through podcasts, poems, protest flyers, and blogs, the ones using hashtags like drumbeats, memes like parables, and captions like coded truth. And many of these girls are young, teenagers with fire in their fingers, students remixing history on Canva, content creators who teach culture one 60-second clip at a time. They might not be on a syllabus, but they are archiving the culture all the same, in real time. Then there are the women, the aunties, daughters, teachers, and mothers who speak not to perform, but to protect. Women like Stacey Ann Chin, who used her voice like a sword, slicing through silence, carving space where others tried to erase. Women like Coffee, spitting truth with no apology, uplifting a generation that needed to hear themselves reflected. And there are nameless griots too. The blogger with 40 followers who still posts truth every day. The single mom who teaches her kids their roots before the world tries to rename them. The youth who edits videos after midnight because he knows the revolution might just need subtitles. Technology didn't kill storytelling, it amplified it, but only if we use it with intention. Only if we remember. To post is to publish, to record is to remember, to remix is to revive. And that what the digital griot does. They revive, preserve, remix, speak, not just for likes, but for legacy. Maybe it's the teacher making YouTube lessons in Patois. Maybe it's the youth activist who uses Twitter to document injustice. Maybe it's the virtual classroom where African, Caribbean, or just in general Black folklore is taught through animation. Maybe it's you. Because to be a griot isn't about fame, it's about frequency. The sacred kind. The kind that makes bones remember, that makes stories travel, that makes silence unacceptable. So whether you're writing a caption, hosting a podcast, singing a hook, building a thumbnail, or just telling your truth in the comment section, know this. You might be carrying more than content. You might be carrying culture. Digital griots walk among us, young, bold, female, fearless, and frequencied up. They are the remix of the ancestors. They are the proof that memory can go viral. They are the next verse in the song that never ends. Some stories don't shout, they whisper. They sit in the corner of memory, waiting for someone to listen again. If this episode stirred something in you, a face, a place, or a feeling, hold that close. That's your spirit remembering. Not all healing is loud. Sometimes it's just the act of knowing you're not alone in what you are carrying. Level up. I'm Michaela, and in case no one told you lately, your story matters too. We want to thank you for listening and watching the Jamaican Case Files.
Remember to subscribe to stay tuned to more hidden truths.
Until next time, stay woke, stay safe, peace.